Welcome to a demonstration of the Usked app. This app is available through both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. In this demo, we'll first show you the service provider experience. Once a service provider is logged in, they're immediately taken to the home screen. Within the home screen, there are many features and functions that are quickly accessible. Let's dive in. Swiping across the top will allow service providers to view their current and previous assignments. Tapping on any of these assignments will take us to the Service Request Details screen, which houses all information and details pertinent to the request. Within the Service Request Details page, service providers can make a call to a POC, send a message, and navigate easily by viewing the address in a map. Within the Calendar function, we have the option of Month View or Agenda View. We can tap the days in the month view to see requests or see them listed through the agenda view. Also through the home screen, service providers have the option to search for available assignments. They first select the Search Posted Offered Requests button on the menu. After filling out the preferred zip code and distance, the system will filter based on this information and the service provider's availability. After tapping the thumbs up on selected assignments, the system automates an alert to let the scheduling team know that the service provider is available and willing to take the assignment. Now it's time to invoice. Let's click on Manage Invoices from the menu. Service providers can easily add assignments that are completed and available to be invoiced. Within the Invoice function, we can quickly select all assignments to invoice by first clicking on Add More Jobs and selecting all assignments ready to be invoiced. Here is a PDF copy of the invoice available for download. This function allows service providers to save invoices for the records. We have found that this is especially helpful when tax time rolls around. Send Email to Billing allows service providers to reach out directly to the billing office if there are any questions or concerns with an invoice. That concludes the overview from the service provider perspective. Just as with service providers, once logged in, customers are immediately taken to the home screen. Swiping across the top will allow the customer to view their past and future service requests. Tapping on any of these assignments will take us to the Service Request Details screen, which houses all information and details pertinent to the request. Within the Calendar function, we have the option of Month View or Agenda View. We can tap the days in the month view to see requests or see them listed through the agenda view. Now we'll cover how to quickly request services. We've found that it's much more efficient for customers to feed in their own requests. We no longer have to go back and forth with the customer until all the necessary information is gathered. This saves everybody time. Let's select Create Service Request from the menu and follow the prompts. Conveniently, all locations, points of contact, and file attachments are all stored in a way that can be reused across multiple service requests, saving the customer time when creating a request. Lists such as audience sizes and dress codes are completely customizable. You decide what you want to have in those lists based on what makes the most sense for you and your customers. Here's the job we just created. Should a customer decide to cancel a service request, they would simply tap on the cancel icon and type in the reason for the cancellation. Usked also has a built-in feature that allows customers to quickly provide feedback about a request. When working with many customers and service providers, receiving feedback is critical to ensure service quality. The customer can simply tap on Give Feedback, type in the comments in the space provided, and then hit Submit. That concludes the rundown from the customer perspective. Thanks for watching and for your interest in Usked.